So this is Beach One in Washington, the United States of America, on the Washington coast. And this is what you get. It's a beautiful beach. There was a few people here earlier, but not too many. There's other beaches in the area, but this is a nice one because you can see how secluded it is. And today is a Saturday, and there's almost nobody here. I apologize about the sound. You're hearing the natural sound of my environment. That loud roaring you hear, that, my friends, is the sound of the ocean. So really pretty. Let's go back to the main approach so you see how to get back. Really cool rocks on the beach. The waves are kind of small today. I've never surfed here, but I suppose you could. You have to bring your board out here, and there's no services, although there's a lodge a few miles north where they have a bathroom and you can sleep there. It's called the Kalaloch Lodge. I'm going to visit that later, maybe make a video. But this one is called Beach One, and it's in Washington. And I just thought I would make this video to show you what it's like. It's a really pretty place. You can come here with your friends, your family, significant other, create memories. You can eat and sit, fresh air. Endless amounts of beach. Really amazing. All the people in the world and so few people here. Alright, now to get back. Whoa, little bird there. Scared me. I think I must have scared it as well. It's probably more scared of me than I am of it. So I think we're going to go this way. Be careful when you're walking on these because they can get slippery. So safety first. Just go slow if you're nervous. Make sure you have good footing. I'm wearing hiking boots, which helps. They're waterproof. If you're looking for hiking waterproof boots, I will leave a link in the description, maybe if I remember, to a pair like mine, the ones I'm wearing. So you can go out and explore. And so this is the trail that we came up. So if you're coming to Beach One, this is how you get to the beach. So if you want to know how to get to the beach on Beach One, this is the way you go. Okay, and you go up this, and at your own risk, right? There's no signs or anything. If you try to go this way, over here, this seems like the road less traveled at Beach One. So I mean, it keeps going, but I don't know where it goes. So yeah, we're not going to go that way. We're going to go back. And then you have these really pretty trees up there with those big knots in the trees. I forgot what they're called. The name slips me. Someone told me once and I forgot. You can see there's more people up there exploring. Most people don't go to the beach. There was two people earlier there, these two guys, but a lot of people are uneasy about going over that. Here's the bridge, creek. I don't know if you remember, we saw that water at the beach. It runs down to the ocean. It's a very nice beach. We can go up the steps. Let's do that. This is so cool. Really nice out here. The weather is perfect. It's cold, but it's not totally insane. Hopefully this video turns out okay. I'm using an old GoPro, and again, no microphone, just the GoPro microphone. The good news is you can hear the environment really well. You just can't hear my voice too well, but you get to hear the sound of the ocean and traffic. There's a path this way. Let's go look at it.
Mind taking a picture of us too?
Oh, I don't. Not at all.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Where are you from?